Hey guys, today I'm going to learn you something. We're going to make a friction-based swinging pot crane. Check this out. For this tutorial, you're going to need a Y branch, a stop block, and a pole. We're going to drive this into the ground next to our fire. First, we're going to start with our pole. We're going to sharpen the end of this pole so we can drive it into the ground right next to our fire. So take your trusty but not rusty knife and start carving away at it. Now, you got a nice little point on the end of that thing. That'll let us drive it into the ground. We need to leave the bark on here so you got more grip. This Y branch, if you notice, it kind of curves up. I did that on purpose so that when you put the weight of your pot on there, it'll level out. Now this stop block is going to be lashed on to this Y branch, and this Y branch is going to have friction that is going to support your pot. And then you'll be able to swivel it back and forth, move it up and down, wherever you want to do. So let's get the lashing. Right here, we're going to cut a V-notch. Now what that V-notch is going to do, it's going to allow us to put our pot, suspend our pot in there and keep it in place. Now that we're where the fire is going to be, we're going to set up our pole and we're going to beat it into the ground. Now that should be nice and sturdy. Now we're going to take our crane and we're going to put it on this here like that. See, it holds by friction. You can move it off the fire, you can move it back on the fire. You can get it closer to the fire, or you can get it further away from the fire. Just like that. Right now we're going to leave it right about there. Hang our pot right over that fire just like this. You can move it out of the way, stir your food, push it back over the fire like that. If it gets too hot, you can raise it up a little bit. You can lower it down into the fire. And this is why we put that notch there, is so that bale's not going to move. So when you move it, that pot's not going to move. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Leave a like, leave a comment, share it. Let me know in the comments whether you've used this before or not, or if you're going to use it in the future. I'll see you next time. God bless you.